Welcome back, students. Let's recall about whatever we have studied today. Today we have started with the new lesson Natural Resources. In today's class, we have studied natural resources in the earth's crust. First of all, we came to know what are natural resources. Natural resources are the resources which are used for various purposes by man. Those are called as natural resources. Under the point natural resources in Earth's crust, we came to know the different kinds of rocks, different ores, different minerals, mineral oils, different kinds of fuels, elements, water. They all are present inside the Earth's crust and they are naturally obtained. Therefore, they are called as natural resources. Minerals and ores: copper, silver, gold, platinum, bismuth, iron, these are all minerals and ore. Some are in natural state, some are in free state. They are sometimes present in impure form also. For the purpose of use, we have to purify it and then make its use. Minerals and ores are obtained after mining only. Under the point how are minerals formed, we came to know that minerals are formed from the magma or lava from the eruption of volcanoes. Some are formed after evaporation. Some are formed due to temperature and pressure also. Whereas some are living organisms which produce the outer covering shell as a hard one. They are shells, conches, etc. They prepare their outer shell as hard for the protection of their body. These are some different types of minerals and the process by which they form. Minerals are in the form of metals, non-metals, as well as in the form of energy mineral also. Then we studied about some different important minerals and ores. Iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper and mica are the 5 different types of minerals which are very important. Some minerals are used for construction purposes, some are used for electric appliances, some are used for preparation of different objects, some are used in medical purposes also. There are different kinds of minerals used for different purposes. Under the point fuels and coal, we came to know that there are different types of fuel. For example, petrol, diesel, kerosene, wood, coal, these are all different types of fuel. Fuel is used for burning purpose, for burning work. We cook food when the fuel is burned. For the motorcycle or for a car to run, it requires fuel. Coal is one of the natural substance, natural resource found under the soil. How is it prepared? How is it formed? Billions of years ago, due to some calamities in the environment, the forest got buried deep inside the soil. And due to the pressure, due to the temperature and heat acting on it, after so many years, it got transformed from the wood or from the forest to the coal. And therefore, coal is said to be a fossil fuel. Coal is formed from the remains of the plants which were present in the forest. Thank you.